Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. These days, a lot of investors are focused on high growth technology names, anything to do with artificial intelligence, the cloud, and so on. They have every reason to do so as well. These technology stocks have given a stellar performance over the past few years. Here's the thing though, while chasing what's hot has been great, many investors are ignoring solid companies that generate consistent cash flow and reward shareholders immensely. Income investors shouldn't make the mistake of overlooking these gems. Western Union Company, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol WU, is an excellent example of this. It certainly isn't making the headlines in the world of AI or anything of that sort, but it does offer something that's rare in today's market. An inflation-crushing dividend that's supported by stable earnings and a business that still works. John?
Thanks, Mo. Western Union offers money movement and payment services globally. The company operates through two business segments, consumer money transfer and consumer services. The consumer money transfer segment provides money transfers for international cross-border and intra-country transfers, primarily through a network of retail agent locations, websites, and mobile devices. The consumer services segment, meanwhile, offers services such as bill payment, money orders, retail foreign exchange, lending partnerships, digital wallet, and media network.
WU stock offers a reliable dividend.
Yeah, absolutely. WU stock currently pays a quarterly dividend of 0.235 or 23.5 cents per share, which works out to 94 cents on an annual basis. This gives it a forward dividend yield of roughly 9.5%.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. John, is that a significant dividend yield?
Well, it's well above the yield on the S&P 500 and even what one would get for holding many high-yield exchange-traded funds or ETFs. Moreover, the dividends are safe, at least for now. In fiscal 2024, Western Union generated adjusted earnings per share of $2.74, putting the payout at around 33%. That's a healthy payout ratio. It could even be sustainable if the company's business faces headwinds. Also, you should know that the company's management is committed to rewarding WU shareholders. In 2024, WU stock returned $496 million to shareholders in dividends and share repurchases. If you want to break it down, that's $318 million in dividends and a smaller $177 million in share repurchases. Now, Western Union has been consistently paying quarterly dividends since 2010. Over that time, the dividend has increased a lot too. In late 2010, the quarterly dividend payout was just 6 cents per share. Now it's 291% higher.
I see that a lot of big institutions are bullish on WU stock.
Yeah, WU stock has a lot of institutional support. Top investors include the Vanguard Group, BlackRock, and T. Rowe Price. They collectively hold over 100 million shares, or 95.6% of all outstanding shares. That is to say the least strong vote of confidence. It's also worth noting that institutional ownership often acts as a floor under a stock. Big institutions tend to remain invested for the long term. They don't sell on minor market fluctuations. In addition to this, Wall Street analysts have a bullish view on WU stock. At the time of this recording, 19 analysts following Western Union had an average price target of $11.93 per share. That's a high price target of $17 on WU stock as well.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Western Union isn't really a growth stock, and don't expect it to post the kind of returns AI plays have been hitting over the past few years. Instead, we see Western Union as a long-term play. With an over 9% dividend yield, a low payout ratio, consistent cash flow, and a rock-bottom valuation, WU stock looks like a compelling opportunity. Mind you, this is not a new pick for income investors. We profiled Western Union back in early March. Since then, the overall stock market has experienced massive gyrations, which has caused some selling in WU stock as well. The decline in the stock price has made yield look even better. The 5-year average yield on WU stock is around 5.6%. So interested investors would be making a much better deal now compared to just a few weeks ago. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.